Good morning, guys. It's 4 a.m. Gotta go to Tofino.
What's up? It's early.
It's very early. Are you peeing right now? Thank you very much, Mackenzie and family. Appreciate the very kind stay. Good morning, best buddy.
Good morning, best buddy.
Did you have a nice cheeky half hour, a little extra?
I was up.
Buddy.
Yeah, I had a nice cheeky half hour. Thank you.
It's Buddy's birthday week, so I'm being extra nice to her. Not really, I'm always this nice. We're having a quick cereal, breakfast, tea, and we got 3 minutes to get to wherever we're going.
To see Lenny.
To meet Lenny.
Hi, Lenny. Super excited to see some wildlife, to hit those hot springs, and just have a beautiful, beautiful day. Let's do it, buddy! Why aren't there street signs? And where are Fraser and Dawn?
Lenny?
Yes.
How you doing, sir?
How are you?
You can say hello to the vlog. Yo. You got your Bible out, Lenny?
Oh yes, come on aboard.
Look at this little VIP little charter situation we got ourselves, eh? Looks beauty. Uh-oh, Beck might get a little wobbly-tobbly up in here, huh?
I don't think I can sit on this.
Always gone when I need you. You know I'll be there for you. Where are you now? Where are you now? Always try my best for you. You just know it is true. Where are we now?
Looking for?
Bears!
Sometimes the bears are along the beach there, turning over rocks, looking for crabs and starfish. If you guys look there at that little drawing, this was made from sap and charcoal over 1,000 years ago.
Probably no bears on the way there, but potentially they'll be awake on the way back.
Yeah.
We just spotted a little sea otter swimming around. See on its back?
Yeah.
Lenny just said that sea otters spend their whole life with one partner. Becca liked that.
I loved that. I think it's like lobsters are like that too, Lenny. Do you know? Lobsters have one partner their whole life?
That's how natives are too.
Yeah.
They carry around 2 tools, one under each armpit, for when they have their sea urchin or their clams. They take one of them out and
So they pick a favorite rock?
yeah,
No way.
yeah, and then they break open their food with it.
Didn't they carry the same rock for a long
Yep.
time?
The rest of their lives.
So what time should we leave?
3 hours or so?
11 o'clock. Yes.
11 o'clock?
She's steaming.
Well, I'm just wondering which of these pools is thermal, but I'm thinking all of them. Also, I know you guys can't smell, but hot springs always have like a very eggy smell. Is that the way to describe it?
I think so.
Doesn't matter, it's beautiful.
All right, let's hit this.
Let's hit this.
Looks absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna jump in there, test out those pools myself. So the hot springs were super epic,
Yeah.
really fun. Huge tip is come as early as possible.
Yes. People are
Lenny
flooding in.
hooked it up. And I think that was key, to find a local, talk to a local, ask him to find a smaller company.
Yeah.
because I think the peeps are coming. It's already flooded. Like you wouldn't be able to get any cool photos.
Yeah, and the cool thing about this place is that it is so small and not man-made, sorry, just natural. So, I mean, there's only room for 4 max in each pool.
Yeah, like what we showed you was kind of what was there.
Yeah, but it was awesome. I feel great.
Yeah.
Do you feel good?
Amazing.
That's what I seen on the way down.
A whale? You saw one?
Swimming.
A whale?
A bear.
No.
So people who don't want to see the bears or who aren't like dying to see them like I am or we are, the locals who see them all the time, like, yeah, there's another bear. Don't show me a photo, Lenny. I'm gonna be so jealous. Is that a bear?
Not too sure.
Oh, way over there?
Okay, well, he's in there. Gotta keep it quiet.
Yeah. I think it's a little black bear we just spotted.
Might be boo-boo.
So cute. He's trying to pull some boulders over. Was he looking for crabs or something? Stoked?
Yeah.
We got one happy camper here.
That was so awesome. Thank you, Lenny.
Thanks, Lenny.
Bears are actually nearsighted, so they can see what's right in front of them, but they wouldn't actually have been able to see us. And that's why he kind of like goes like this and then lifts his nose up and he's sniffing us and then he can hear us. A really heightened sense of smell and hearing, but he can't see far away.
Between surfers in London, there's one great whale.
Awesome, thank you.
There's one gray whale.
You guys see him?
Oh yeah. No, he did it again right
There's
there.
his fluke now.
Oh wow!
Yeah, he's down for a while. See his tail?
Oh yeah!
Oh, nice.
Looks like someone was wearing her lucky underwear today.
I'm so happy we went in the morning. It was such a different experience driving out there.
Yeah.
The low light and the calm water
yeah.
and everything. It was so amazing. Thank you so much. That was fantastic. Loved it.
Come on. All right.
And as always, the best part of adventuring and having a van is coming home to your home and just chilling out, making lunch. Eamon's made himself a smoothie. He said he will not even cook before he drinks this. He's been dreaming about it the whole time we were on the road. It will be really interesting to figure out where we do end up parking today and all that kind of stuff, because Tofino is known for kind of being strict with van lifers. Lots of stealth campers, lots of surfers. Just walking down the street, it's every other vehicle is some kind of converted home. So I don't think we'll end up staying in this neighborhood, but we're really excited to explore for the afternoon. We've got something amazing for lunch. So stay tuned. You just have to stay tuned. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be so much.
Not sure how, but these guys made it all the way from New York City.
Ooh, hot, hot! Like I'm extra hot. These are the new Beyond Sausage. We ate them at the very end of one vlog, and boy, oh boy, they're a treat. I won't lie, we kind of forgot about you guys.
Is she vegan?
We just went for a walk, explored the city, talked to some surf shops,
spot in Tofino. It's called,
and now we're
Bravado.
legit lying in bed.
Heard of it?
Fraser and Dawn upside down.
It looks pretty sick. It's like
And
a
eating
nice
carrots and
fan
hummus.
spot.
We last left you right here, eating carrots. I haven't moved, but we've made a new friend. Her name's Georgia. Georgia, you rock. Don't ever change. Bye, guys.
We'll meet you there in a bit.
So, where was I? Georgia, parking. We're gonna go and make a campfire at Middle Beach, which sounds amazing. And we're gonna hopefully get s'more stuff. And we're gonna make soba noodles with pesto. Life is amazing.
And we hope you enjoyed that episode. We are gonna...
I really think they're gonna want to see the campfire. I think we should end it with a beautiful, epic, montagey bit of the campfire.
Alright, cut to the campfire.
Wear my pink pajamas in the summer when it's hot. I wear my flannel nighties in the winter when it's not. And sometimes in the springtime, and sometimes in the fall. I jump into my little bed with nothing on at all. Woo! That's okay.
All the moose, juice, moose.
Oh, yeah. There was a great big moose. There was a great big who liked to drink a lot of juice.
Yeah, that's a classic.
There was a great big moose.
It was a great big moose.
Who liked to drink a lot of juice. You guys ready? Way-oh, way-oh.
Way-oh, way-oh.
Way-oh, 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 way-oh.
If you guys want to join these nutters, they'll be here all night. I shoved a piece of chocolate into the marshmallow, put the chocolate marshmallow back on the stick, melted that further for a squeezy addiction.
We hope you guys enjoyed this amazing day in Tofino on Vancouver Island. Just when I think, how does life get better? It just does. If you guys thought that today's video was awesome, because I think it is, please give it a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to our channel because we make awesome content like this, and we would love to have you join our YouTube family. Until next time, guys.
Remember guys, work hard, play harder.
I like that.
Like that?
Can
Peace
I have
out.
some s'mores now?
Yeah.
I want to try them.
Oh, on my sweater.
Oh no.
Yep. Oh yeah. On my sweater.
Lots of s'mores, not enough marshmallow. I'm gonna do double.
It's okay, she's in charge of laundry.